This is Joe.
Is this the radio station of 1430?
Yes, it is. How can I help you today?
Yeah. We were going to listen to your show this morning, and I just want to ask you a question.
Well, certainly. Go ahead, ma'am. You're on the air.
Okay. We have a question about tomato plants, okay?
I'm sorry, ma'am. What's your question about?
Tomato plants.
You are on the air. Will you repeat that question, ma'am?
Yes, tomato plants about having an old pot and they die. Why do they die for?
Well, they develop a rash, ma'am, right around the belly button, and it works its way out. That is how they die.
Oh, okay. Could be too much water?
I would say it could be a little bit too much water that had been contaminated because people are removing the water from the toilet to use when they should not be doing that. Excuse me. You are on the air, and your name, ma'am?
Priscilla Matoya.
How old are you, and what city are you from, ma'am? You are on the air.
Denver, Colorado.
And your age?
42.
All righty. So we're losing tomatoes, are we?
Yeah.
Hold, ma'am.
Huh?
Hold one moment, ma'am. We'll be right back.
Okay.
KEZW. Keep doing this one. I can't keep doing this one. I'm just laughing too hard. You are on the air, ma'am, on KEZW. Can I play a song for you?
Well, you didn't really tell me what my issue is.
Repeat your issue, ma'am, with the tomatoes. What's going on with your tomatoes, ma'am?
I told you I had plastic pots, and they were, one grows and then one doesn't grow.
What kind of pots do you have, ma'am? Are you growing pot also? Are you growing marijuana, ma'am? Anywhere near the tomatoes? Ma'am.
What?
Are you growing marijuana anywhere near the tomatoes?
What do you think marijuana? I didn't see marijuana.
Are you growing marijuana anywhere near the tomatoes, ma'am? That could be illegal. You could be arrested.
There's no marijuana. I said fucking tomatoes.
How long have you been growing marijuana, ma'am? Ma'am, how long have you been growing marijuana?
There's no fucking marijuana. Did I say marijuana?
You did.
No, I did not.
You did.
No, I did not.
Ma'am, I need to inform you this call is being recorded.
There's no fucking marijuana. Did you know you need a license to grow marijuana, ma'am?